Okay, today we'll be starting with the last part of the chapter, which is word problems. Word problems are very important, so I'm taking the last. Okay, we're moving with the first question. If you are able to see the question, Aftab tell his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old you were then. Okay, so whenever this type of questions are there of age, the logic will be always same. So let us see how it works. 3.1 first question. Aftab tell his daughter 7 years ago. So let Aftab is X, let Aftab is X, okay, and daughter be Y. We don't know their ages, right? Aftab tell his daughter, for example, this is Aftab and this is daughter. Aftab tell his daughter 7 years ago. 7 years ago means minus, right? 7 साल पहले. So -7, -7. I'm sure that 7 years ago both will be -7, -7. For example, your age is 20 right now. So 7 years ago your age will be 13. Similarly, your mother age also will be less. So both will be minus. 7 years ago दोनों की एज कम होगी, राइट? अगर दोनों की एज अभी x है, दोनों की एज x और y है, 7 साल पहले दोनों की एज -7 होगी, राइट? इसलिए 7 years ago I was 7 times as old you were. ये आफ्ताब ये, राइट? I was 7 times. So I was 7 times as you were old. Similarly, the next equation also 3 years from now. दूसरा equation x is equal to y. 3 years from now means after 3 years. 3 years from now plus 3. I shall be 3 times as you were. I shall be 3 times. So I am 3 times. So these are the two equations I will get. Now with the help of these two equations you can do, it is asked, solve this, represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So I believe you know how to do algebraically method. Algebraic means elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. Any one method you can do it, and graphical method already I taught you. So while doing the word problem I will discuss only the equations. Solving part you have to do it. Okay, so first question done. Second question is about coach of cricket bat team buys 3 bat and 6 balls for 390. So let the bat is X and ball is Y. I'm not writing that, I'm writing the equation now. 3 bat plus 6 balls, so 3x plus 6y is 3900. Similarly, later buy another bat means X plus it is 2 more balls. It is not visible that clear, it is 2 more balls. 2y is equal to 1300. So we have two equations now. Again we can use any method, algebraically and geometrically method. Okay, third sum, cost of 2 kg of apple. Let the cost of apple be X and y grapes be Y. So 2 kg means 2x and 1 kg means 1y is equal to how much? 160. And similarly, a month ago 4 kg of apples, so 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. This is very easy, simply seeing the question and writing the answer. This is a little different type, but these two are very simple. So this is 3.1. Let us see the another questions of the exercise. 3.2, it says, let us see the question first. Now from the pair of linear equation in the following problem, find the solution graphically. So you have to use graphical method. 10 students of class took part in mathematics. Okay, if number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, there is girls and boys, so total number of students is 10. So first equation will be 3.2, let the girls be X, boys be Y. Anything you can take, you boys be X, girls be Y. Total number of students are 10, so X plus Y is equal to 10, because total number of students are 10. So boys plus girls, X boys plus girls will be 10. Okay, now let's say if the number of girl is 4 more than number of girls, if the number of girl is 4 more number of boys, if you are supposing Y as girls, number of girls is 4 more than boys, girl is 4 more, so Y is equal to X plus 4. Girls is 4 more than boys, so Y is equal to X plus 4. Okay, it is given number of girl is 4 more than number of boys, so Y is equal to X plus 4. Okay, now you have two equation again. You can do the method graphically and get the answer. Wherever these 2 points intersect, that is number of girls and boys. Okay, because it's a unique solution. Second question is the same type. 5 pencils, 7 pens. So again 5x plus 7y is equal to 50, and it is given 7 pencil, 5 pens. So 7x plus 5y is equal to how much? 46. Two equations you have. Solve with any method, or it is given graphically only. So do with graphical method and get the answer. Okay. So let us discuss the another question, which is fifth question. This is an important question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. Now perimeter of rectangle is what? Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. But it says half of the perimeter. Half perimeter means, let's say half perimeter we are taking by small p. Okay, half perimeter is half perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. So perimeter is given 36, or we can say half perimeter is 36. Okay, again half perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Half perimeter is 36, length is 4 more than width. So width means breadth, 4 more than width. Length is b plus 4. Length is 4 more than the breadth. Okay, so two equations are given. First equation is from here you will get, and second equation from here you get. Again check. Half of the perimeter is 36 and length is 4 more than width. So length is b plus 4. Now half perimeter means what? Half perimeter is 36. What is mean by half perimeter? What is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so half will be only L plus B. L plus B is equal to 36. Double full is 2 times L plus B. So half will be L plus B only. Okay, perimeter half perimeter L plus B is equal to 36, and second equation. So we have two equation again, first equation and second equation. So with the help of again elimination and substitution method, you can use any method, and then we can find length and breadth. Okay, whatever L you will get, put the value of length in this, you will get breadth also. Okay, sorry, with whatever breadth you will get, put the value of breadth and get the length. Okay, so you have two equations, find L and B. Similarly, sixth one is same type. Okay, we have done it. Seventh one also we have discussed. Okay, now discussing the 3.3 first question. Now check. It is given from the pair of linear equation for the following problem, find a solution by substitution method. So use this method. The difference between two numbers is 26 and the number is 3 times the other. The difference means subtraction, right? Difference means what? Subtraction. Difference between two numbers is 26. So we can say it is 3.3 first sum. Question number 3 first sum. It is given difference between two numbers is 26. Difference means let the number be x and y. Difference means x minus y is equal to 26. Sum means x plus y is equal to 26. Difference means x minus y is equal to 26. One number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Now tell me which number will be 3 times the other? Obviously the smaller number will be 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Obvious it is. The smaller number only will be 3 times the bigger. So y is equal to 3x. This is all common sense you have to use. Understanding part is very important. Difference is 26, so you can take x minus y is 26. But it says one number is 3 times the other. Now which will be 3 times? Obviously a smaller number will be 3 times the bigger. So y is 3x. So you have two equation now. With the help of substitution, you can put y as 3x in this. Put the value of y as 3x in this and get the answer x. Okay, you will get the number. Okay. The larger, now second one. The larger of two supplementary angles. Now what do you mean by supplementary angle? The sum of the angle is how much? 180 degrees. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Obviously we know this supplementary property, or sum of two angles is 180 degrees. So x plus y is 180 degree. If the let the two angles be x and y, so supplement means the addition is 180 degree, right? Now the larger of the supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18. It means the difference of each other is 18. Or you can write, I can say this is right, difference between 18, or you can say another way, x is equal to 18 plus y. Both is correct. X is equal to 18 plus y you write, or you write x minus y is equal to 18, because it says the larger of two supplementary, whatever angle, the bigger one exceed the smaller by 18. So if I am telling x is bigger, x is 18 plus y. Okay, x is 18 more than the smaller, or you can write the difference is 18. So both is correct, both will be right. You either write this or that. So these are the two equations. Again, with the help of equation, you can use substitution method and get the answer. Third one. Now in third one, it says the coach of cricket bat 7 bats, again same type, 7 bats, 7x, 6 balls, 6y is equal to 3, 8, 0, 0. And she buys 3 bats, so 3x plus 5 balls is 1750. So again you have the equations, do with substitution method and get the answer. See, word problems are more easy if you are able to make proper equation. But understanding part is more important. So concentrate and see how I am able to make equations. Now fourth one, important. Taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge. So let fixed charge be x. Let fixed charge is x together with the charge for the distance covered. For the distance, so distance covers be y. Distance covered be y. Fixed charge is x, distance cover is y. Now it says for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge is paid 105. It means if you are going 10 kilometers, you have to pay 105 rupees. So fixed charge plus distance covered 10 kilometer is equal to 105. Because 10 kilometer you are going. See, the taxi says for 10 kilometer you have to pay 105. Okay, but we know that there is a fixed charge also. The fixed charge plus 10 kilometer will be 105. Similarly, for 15 kilometer 155. So what will be the equation? 15 kilometer will be fixed charge plus 15y is equal to 155. So these are the two equations we will get. 15 kilometer is 155. What are the fixed charge? So find x and y. After getting x and y, they have also asked find 25 kilometer also. So after getting x answer and y answer, they have asked find 25 kilometer answer also. 25 kilometer answer is what? X plus 25y, right? For 10 kilometers, 10 plus x plus 10y. For 15 kilometers is x plus 15y. So for 25 kilometer, x will be x plus 25y. So first with these two equations, find x and y. After finding x and y, put the value of x and y in this and get the answer of 25 kilometer. Okay. Now fifth one. Fifth one is a fraction becomes 9 upon 11. So fraction means it is a x upon y form. Let the fraction be x upon y. So it is given fraction become 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to numerator and denominator. Numerator means this and denominator means this. So if 2 is added to numerator and to denominator, so y plus 2, numerator 2 is added and denominator 2 is also, it becomes what? 9 upon 11. So fraction becomes 9 upon 11. A fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to numerator and denominator. Similarly, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. So it means if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. So this is the equation. How you will solve? Cross multiplying. It will be cross multiply like this. 11x plus 2 is equal to 11x plus 2. I just cross multiply 11 into x plus 2 and here 9 into y plus 2. Here also 6 into x plus 3 and here 5 into y plus 3. Now solve it, you make it in equal to 0 form, you will get two equations. Again you can use the method and get the answer. Okay, substitution method exercise it is, so do substitution method. Okay, now moving with the sixth question. Again age wise question. Age question is also always do the same method as I've discussed earlier. It says 5 year hence. 5 year hence means afterwards. Hence from now, right? Hence from now means after, plus 5 years from now the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So what we'll do, let Jacob is x, Jacob age is x and son age is y. So x and y, same method. 5 years from now, it says 5 years hence, it means plus 5 plus 5. Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Jacob will be 3 times of his son. Okay, And 5 years ago, 5 ago means again x and y. 5 ago means minus 5, minus 5. 5 years ago, Jacob age is 7 times his son. Jacob age will be 7 times that of his son. So it's very simple age question. Always do the same way as I am doing. Write x and y. Whatever it says ago, it says hence. I am written plus. Jacob is 3 times his son. Now at 5 years ago means minus 5, minus 5. Jacob is 7 times his son. You will have two equation again. Solve with any method or use substitution method as we are doing substitution method, right? Now moving with 3.4 word problems. 3.4 word problems. Let us check. In 3.4, question number 1. Let us understand it first. Not the same type. We have discussed it right now. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 to denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So it means a fraction means x upon y. Fraction becomes 1. If we add 1 to numerator, add means plus, and subtract 1 to denominator. Subtract means minus to denominator. So again read. If we add 1 to numerator, and subtract 1 from denominator, subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces it to 1. The fraction becomes what? 1. Similarly, this is what? It becomes half. Now fraction is becoming half. If we only add to the denominator, if we only add 1 to denominator, it means x upon y plus 1. We are only adding to denominator, it says. If we only add, it means numerator nothing you will do as it is. Numerator only add 1 to denominator. So denominator only add 1. So fraction becomes half if we only add 1 to denominator. These are the two equations. Now again you cross multiply. This equation will become what? X plus 1. This will be directly 1 multiplied by any number will be same number. This will be the number. And similarly here also cross multiply. So you'll get 2x, and here as it is 2x is equal to y plus 1. So you will have this two equation. With the help of this two equation, again you can do the method. You can do elimination method because it is elimination method sum. Okay. Now again age question. I believe you understood the age question. Again the same logic. 5 years ago Noori was 3 times as Sonu. So Noori, if it is x and Sonu is y, I'm doing it directly, but you do the method. 5 years ago, again what to do? Write x and write y. 5 years ago means plus. Sorry, minus. Minus 5, minus 5. 5 years ago Noori was 3 thrice of his son. 5 years ago Noori was thrice of his son. Okay, thrice of her Sonu. Okay, 10 years later, so again x and y. 10 years later means plus 10, plus 10. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So logic is same. Age question, if you observe, they are of same type. Okay, so this is the two equation. Solve it and get the answer of x and y. Question number 3, very important. Mark this question important. It says sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. Order of the digit. Find the number. Now sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. It means it can be 2, 7, it can be 8, 1. Sum of 2-digit is 9. It can be 9, 0 also. It can be 0, 9 also. It can be 3, 6 also. It means sum of the 2-digit number is 9. It can be any number. So we don't know the number. So let our 2-digit number is 2-digit number is xy. This is the number, 2-digit number. I don't know the number, right? Sum of 2 to 9 can be many possible ways, right? So I've taken xy as the number. It says sum of the 2-digit numbers is 9. Sum is 9. It is x plus y equal to 9. Always understand the first equation you will make the simple one only, not to think anymore. Okay, now the second equation will be little different. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Now whenever you're making the second equation, there you have to make changes. 9 times this number, you know that this is 1's place, this is 10's place. So this is what number will look like, what this 10's place. So 10x plus y, and it says twice the number obtained after reversing the order. If I reverse the order, then it will become xy will become yx. So y will be, this is 1's place, this is 10's place, this will become 10y plus x. Now what it says, 9 times this number, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. It is twice after reversing the order. Now you might be confused, sir, what you have done this. See, understand, whenever a digit number question is there, whenever a question of digit is asked, always you will do this method. First equation you will make directly, second equation you will understand this way. Now 9 times this number is twice after reversing the order. Initially the number look like this, so x is in 10's place, so 10x plus y. Now reversing the order means xy will become yx. So yx means y is 10's place, so 10y plus x. It can be also asked like 3-digit number, so x, y, z. So x will be 1000 place, y will be 100 place, and z will be 1's place. This will be the number then. And reversing the order, zy x will x y z will become zy x. Okay, then this will become 1000z plus 100y plus x. So this way it will work. Okay, sorry, 100 only will come. Sorry, 110. 110 is 1. 110 1 because unit 10 is 100. This will become 100x plus 10y plus z. If they reverse the order, 100z plus 100y plus x. So whenever, understand, keep a note, whenever a question of digit is asked, sum of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, usually 2-digit only it is asked. The first equation you will make the simple one, and second equation by this way only it will be formed. In this form only you have to make. 9 times this number is twice after reversing the order. Reversing the order means that the number will become 10y plus x. So first equation is this, and second equation you will get from this. Solve this and you will get the second equation. Okay. Okay, moving to the next question, which is fourth one. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. So she has withdrawn 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 and 100 notes only. Now she went to bank, she want 2000 rupees, and she told, I want only 50 note and 100 notes. Okay. Meena got 25 notes in all. She has total note how many? 25. Find the number, how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So let the number of notes of 50 be x. Let number of 50 notes be x and 100 notes be y. If I'm telling number of 50 notes is x and 100 note is y, it is given total she is getting how many notes? Meena got 25 notes in all. It means x plus y equal to 25. Total number of notes. 10 plus 15 will be 25 notes. Okay. And second case is she is getting 2000 rupees in total. It means 50x plus 100y is how much? 2000. How it is? So it says she has 50 note and 100 only. 50 how many notes and 100 how many notes will be cost will be 2000 rupees. Because two things is given in question. The cost she want cost how much? 2000 rupees. So this is the first from here. And total notes how many she gets? 25 notes she has. Total note 25. So x plus y. Because I am telling, let the number of notes be x. The number, I don't know the number. It might 10 numbers and you have 15. So 10 plus 15, 25. Or 20 notes and 5 notes. 20 plus 5, 25 notes. And now cost is 2000. Now how the cost will become? 50 notes plus 100 notes. The total cost will be 2000. So 50x plus 100y is 2000. You can, okay, what we can do for this equation, for making it easy, you can divide by 50. If you divide this by 50, you will get x plus 2y is equal to 0 0 cut 5 4s. I just divide the equation by 50 to make the equation easy. See, I'm dividing the equation by 50 to make it little easy for solving. 5 4 is 20, so 4 x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is the final equation after dividing. So whenever you are getting any equation and when you observe it is common, then you can divide it and make the equation little easier. Otherwise, if you do with this, still you will get correct answer, but it will be little difficult for solving part. Okay, so discussing the next question, which is the fifth one. Again, the question is important. Fifth one is, a lending library had fixed charge. Now fixed charge is x. Fixed charge for the first 3 days. Now fixed charge for 3 days fixed charge is for 3 days, it is X, and additional charge is Y. So additional charge is Y. Okay, for each day thereafter Sarita paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days. Now for 3 days there is a fixed charge. The equation is what? X plus, it is for 7 days. 7 days means 7 minus 3 fixed, because X is taking 3 days. 7 minus 3 means 4Y is equal to how much? 27. Again understand, it says 27 she will pay for 7 days. Okay, but she will not pay for all the day because it is already given 3 days is fixed charge. Therefore it is X plus 4Y is 27 will come. Similarly, if you still have doubts, see the next equation. While Susie paid 21 rupees for 5 days. Now 5 days means fixed charge is X. It means 3 days is taken by X. So 5 days means 3 plus 2 is how much paid? 21 rupees. Well, it is mentioned in question that fixed charge for 3 days she will be paying the amount. An additional charge after 3 days. So fixed charge for 3 days. 3 days is fixed charge, but additional charge after 3 days. So 27 rupees for 7 days means it will be X plus 4Y will be 27, because 3 days fixed plus 4, 7. Therefore this X 3 plus 4 becomes 7. Here also it is for 5 days. So 3 plus 2, 5. So this is very important part to understand in this equation. Otherwise you'll do mistake. X plus 7Y you will write. But you understand 3 days is fixed charge. So 3 plus 4, 27, and here 3 plus 2, 21. Okay, these are the two equations, and solve and get the answer of X and Y. Okay. Moving to the next equations. Alright, we have done this. Okay. 3.5. 3.5 equation first. It is first one. 3.5. If we discuss, a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food in mess. Okay, now here it is not mentioned the number of days. It was mentioned the previous. Okay, here no days are mentioned. So fixed charge is there, X, and the remaining depend on the number of days food has been taken in mess. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed. So monthly hostel charge is fixed and remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food. So fixed charge is there, plus the food you take is the charge. When a student takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees. So fixed charge is X. X plus 20 days is equal to 1000 rupees. Fixed charge he will pay for hostel. Hostel charge plus food, 20 days food is equal to 1000 rupees. Similarly, who takes food for 26 days? So X plus 26Y is equal to 1180. So you have to be very careful in reading whether it is mentioned fixed charge any days or not. It is not mentioned, so I will directly take X plus the days. X plus 20 days, X plus 26 days. Same, right? Second one is the same type. I am not discussing. I think we have discussed the fraction question, or else I will discuss it. A fraction becomes 1 upon 3. I'll discuss it. Fraction becomes, this is the fraction, it becomes 1 upon 3. What it says, 1 is subtracted from numerator. So 1 is subtracted from numerator. Numerator means what? This. 1 is subtracted numerator. Fraction becomes 1 upon 3. 1 is subtracted from numerator. And it becomes 1 upon 4. It is become 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to denominator. So 8 is added to denominator means y plus 8. It becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to denominator. So x upon y plus 8. This is the required equation. Okay. Now moving to the next one, which is third. Let's say what it is. It said yes, score 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for right answer and losing 1 marks for each correct answer. Okay, so 3 marks for right answer and 1 marks for wrong answer. Okay, had 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks have been deducted for each incorrect answer. Then Yash will have scored 50 marks. Now understand there it is 2 equations are there. Yash scored 40 marks, 3 marks for right. So let right answers be X and wrong answers be Y. It says he got 40 marks, 3 marks for right answers. So 3x, 3 marks for right answers. Losing means minus. First, for right answer, he got marks, 3 marks for right answers. Losing means minus. Obviously, minus will be marks. Losing 1 mark for wrong answers. So a minus y is equal to 40. Similarly, had 4 marks been awarded, so 4x minus 2 marks has been deducted. 2y is equal to 50 marks. Again, understand, 40 marks has been given if 3 right answer and 1 wrong answer. 40 marks has been awarded if 3 right answer and 1 wrong answer. Okay. And your 4 marks have been awarded. 4 marks have been awarded for correct answer, and deducted means subtraction. So 2 marks have been deducted, minus 2y is equal to 50 marks. This is the required equation. Okay. Very important. Understand it. Now question number 4. A and B are 100 km apart. This A and B is there. Understand this. It is very, very important. A and B are how much far to each other? They are 100 km. There are 2 cars which are 100 km apart from each other. One car starts from A, one is starting from A, another car is starting from B. They're moving in the same direction. Same direction means the car A is going here and B is also going here. At one point of time, they're meeting at point C. Okay. One car starts from A and one car starts from B. If they're moving in same direction, where they will meet? They will meet somewhere here. It says they are going to meet. It means this car will be going little slow and this car will be going fast. Okay. It says if the car in the same direction at different speed. Okay. If the car travel in the same direction at different speed. Obviously they will have different speed. Otherwise they will not meet. They will meet at how many times? They will meet in 5 hours. Okay. So they will meet in 5 hours. So how you will get the equation? If you understand what value you have, I have the answer of AB. What is the answer of AB? What will be value of AB? It will be AC minus BC. Can I say AB is also equal to AC? अगर AC में से BC निकाल दूं, AC में से अगर BC निकल जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा? AB बचेगा. Can I say AB is also equal to AC minus BC? Understand this, very important. Can I say AB is equal to whole AC minus BC? AC में से अगर BC निकाल दिया तो AB आएगा. तो AB is what? AC minus BC. So with this I will get one equation. Now we know that the reason I've taken the equation in terms of AB because I have the value of AB. AB is how much? AB is 100. But AC I don't know. But AC is a distance. We know that AC is distance. So before we calculate this, understand how we will get the answer of this. Okay. We know that speed is distance upon time. What will be distance? Distance will be speed into time. Okay. Now for a car, for car A, distance is, okay, we have to find speed is don't know. Let us speed be x. Time is given 5 hours. It is given in 5 hours they are meeting. So 5. So distance 5x. Similarly for car B, speed will be y, different speed. So distance again your speed into time. So speed is don't know, but time is 5 hours, but speed will be automatically different. So first car A will have distance will be 5x and car 2 will be distance of 5y. So if we substitute the value over here, AB is what? 100. AC is this whole distance. AC is how much? Means car A distance is AC, which is 5x, minus the BC distance is how much? 5y. So this is the first equation. Okay, very, very important. Understand what we did. I found AC and BC separately first. AC is this whole distance of car A and whole distance of car B. Okay, it going in 5 hours, so time is 5. Speed is different, x. Your speed will be different, so here it is y. Speed obviously both cars will have different speed, so your speed is x and your speed is y. But time is same of both the cars. Okay, the first car distance is 5x and second car distance is 5y. Therefore, AC is 100, AB value is 100, AC is what? 5x, this is 5x, and BC distance is, what is the distance of BC? It is 5y. So first equation is 100 is equal to 5x minus 5y. And if you divide by 5, your equation will be in easy form. The equation is 100 is equal to 5x minus 5y. If I divide by 5, I will get 20 is equal to x minus y. This is the first equation. Similarly, it is also one more scenario is given. Second scenario in the question is A, B. If both are going earlier, this in first case it was opposite direction. A B, C. So it is in same direction. If they are going in same direction, they will meet over here. Correct? If car A and B is going in same direction, they will meet ahead. But in the second case, it is given in question if they are going in opposite direction. If they are going opposite direction, they will meet in somewhere in the middle part or somewhere anywhere they will meet in between this. If for example they are meeting over here, so what will be AB now? Initially in the previous case AB what? AB was AC minus BC. Now in this case AB will be what? AC plus BC. In this case it will be addition of this two. Here it was what? What was AB or? Here AB was whole AC minus BC. But in the second case, case 2, AB will be what? AC plus BC. Okay. So here AB will be, okay, again AC how we will find? Distance is speed into time. For car A, distance is speed into time. Distance, speed we don't know. Speed we know x. And time is 1 hour. It is given 1 hour now. So it is 1x. And for car B, distance is speed into time again. Speed is again y and time is 1. So 1y. So can I say AC is now 1x and BC is 1y. So equation AB is how much? 100 is equal to AC is how much? Car A x plus BC is car B y. This is the second equation. X plus y is equal to 100. Total is 100. AC plus BC is 100. So this is the second equation. I got two equations. X plus y is 100 and x minus y is 20. With the help of elimination method, you can easily get the answer. Very, very important question. So make sure you understand, recheck the video again and again and get the proper knowledge of it. Okay, still have doubts, message me, tell me about it. Fifth question is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means, what do you mean by area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Correct. Area of rectangle get reduced by 9. It means LB is reduced by 9 if its length is reduced by 5. If length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3 and breadth is increased by 3. Can I see again? Repeat. Check what I did. Area of a rectangle is reduced by 9. Area of rectangle is reduced by 9. Okay. If the length is reduced by 5, I initially have taken what? LB will be equal to LB. Initially this was the equation. LB is equal to LB. Length and breadth will be equal to length and breadth. It says area is reduced by 9 if length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Second equation, it says if we increase the length, it means if we increase the length by 3, and breadth by 2. Again, if we increase the length by 3 and breadth by 2, area increases by 67. So LB increases by 67. So this is the required equation. Area decreased by 9 if length is decreased by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Second case says if the length is increased by 3 and breadth also increased by 2, then the area will increase by 67. It means LB will be 67. What you will do? Open the bracket, solve it. LB minus 9, multiply this. LB and LB will get cut, so you will get the equation in terms of L and B. Okay, if you solve this, you will get the equation in terms of L and B. Similarly, here also you solve, so you will get two equations in terms of L and B, like 5x plus 5L plus 2B is equal to 20. This way you will get LB and LB will get cut. Here also LB and LB will get cut after solving this equation. Alright. Now the second last 3.6. Okay. Now in 3.6 it is about downstream, upstream. So we have to discuss very, very important topic where questions are asked many times in boards about downstream and upstreams. So let us check 3.6. It says Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Okay, and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Now before I make equation, first of all you have to understand what you mean by downstream and what you mean by upstream. Downstream means what? For example, you are standing in the mountain, okay, and or simple example, the river is flowing in this direction, okay, and boat also going this direction. It means the boat will be going faster. This means downstream, okay. But upstream means what? The flow of water is this way, but the boat is going in this direction. So against the direction means upstream. Or in simple words, if you are in a mountain and you're falling down with the boat, okay, it is downstream. You're going with the speed will be more. Therefore, the speed of downstream is x plus y. X plus y means still water and current water. Okay, this is what? Boat water and current water. We can say still water and current water. Speed of the current. Okay, this is the speed. The speed will increase. But upstream, speed will be what? X minus y. The speed will be decreased. It will be against the right. So boat speed minus the water speed will be the final speed of the boat. So upstream speed will be x minus y, and downstream will be with the flow, so it will be x plus y. Keep it simple. Downstream means addition, upstream means subtraction. X plus y and x minus y. Okay, this way you will be getting the logic what to do in this. Now it says in this, what is given? Downstream is 20 kilometer. Can draw this downstream. So downstream means speed is x plus y, and it says 20 kilometer. Distance is 20 kilometer. Time is 2 hours. So time is 2 hours. We know our formula. Speed is distance upon time. Speed is given how much? X plus y is equal to distance is 20 and time is 2. 2 and the 2 tens are. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 10. Similarly, it says an upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Upstream case. Upstream, it says what we know that upstream means speed will be x minus y. In 4 kilometer, distance is 4 kilometer and time is 2 hours again. Formula is what? Speed is distance upon time. Speed is what in upstream? X minus y. Distance is 4 kilometer means 4 and time is 2. So 4 on the 2 on the 2. So x minus y is equal to 2. So we have two equation again, x plus y and x minus y. You have to find still water and current water. Okay, so find the answer and get the find it and get the answer. Still water and current water. Okay, so you will get x and y value. Similar questions are also there in this. See this one, where two scenarios are taken. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 10 hours. Okay, so here will be 30 upon x. Here I will explain this also. Very important sum which is asked again. It is not given in your book, in your exercise, but it is needs to be discussed. Now two scenarios are there. A boat go 30 km upstream and downstream. It means a same boat is going upstream and downstream. It's going up, it's going with the flow and against with the flow also. So it's going upstream and downstream. Boat it is going. Boat goes 30 km upstream. So here T1 plus T2 is equal to how much time? It takes 10 hours. It takes 10 hours. It says a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. Time means, what is formula of time? Speed is distance upon time. So time is distance upon speed. So I can say distance 1 upon speed 1 plus distance 2 upon speed 2 is equal to 10. Here it says 30 km upstream. 30 km upstream. 30 km means 30. Upstream means x minus y plus 44 km downstream. It means 44 km speed will be x plus y is equal to how much time? 10 hours. Okay. Similarly, if you have not understood still, see if the second equation is the same type, it can go now new equation is it in 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream. It means in 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream. It means 40 km upstream means x minus y plus 55 km downstream. So 55 km downstream means x plus y. Okay, so these are the two equations. With the help of reducing method you can do. Okay, 1 upon x minus y is m and 1 upon x plus y is n. So you will get the answer of x and y and get the answer. Determine the speed of still water, again the same time. So this is an important sum which I have thought I have to discuss. Okay, let us discuss the remaining questions, which is second one. It says 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Now whenever a work done question is asked, always you have to convert in 1 day. Okay, always make a habit of converting in 1 day, 1 hour. That way you have to solve whenever a work done question is there. See, the question is about work done. For example, you are completing your homework in 2 days. So in 1 day, how much you will complete? How much homework you will complete? For example, you are completing the homework in 2 days. So in 1 day, you are completing how much homework? You are completing half homework, correct? If you are completing the homework in 2 days, in 1 day you are completing half homework. Similarly, in this case, if I am telling women complete work in X days. Let women complete work in X days. If it's completing in X days, so in 1 day she will complete 1/x of the work, correct? I have given an example. If you are completing your homework in 2 days, in 1 day you will complete half work. So if you are completing in X day, in 1 day you will complete 1/x of the work. If you are completing the work in 3 days, in 1 day you will complete 1/3 of the work. So if she is completing the work in X days, in 1 day she will complete 1/x of the work. Similarly, the man also will have the same logic. So what will be the equation? 2/x plus 5/y is equal to 4 days. It means 1/4. And we are supposing man completes 1 day work in 1/y day. Okay, so it shows 2 women means 2 into 1/x. 2 women means 2 into 1/x, because 1 woman can complete in 1/x. So 2 women can complete 2/x. Okay, it says 2 women and 5 men. 2 women and 5 men together means addition. Completed work in 4 days, but we have completed everything. We have converted this everything in 1 day. So in 1 day means 1/4 of the work. So 2/x plus 5/y is equal to 1/4. And second equation is, while 3 women means 3/x plus 6 men means 6/y is equal to 3 days, 1/3. So this is the required equation. You will do elimination and substitution method and get the answer. First do reducing method and get the answer. Okay. Now moving with the next question. Again an important one. Third one. It says Rohit traveled 300 km. So total distance how much? 300. To her home partly by train. So half by train and half by bus. So T1 plus T2 is equal to capital T. She takes 4 hours. She is taking 4 hours. T1 means distance upon speed, and here also distance upon speed. Okay. T1 upon T2. Train plus bus is equal to total time. Train time plus bus time is equal to total time. It is already given 4 hours it takes total. Now individually it is given, if she travels 60 km by train, 60 km by train means distance 60, train the speed be x. If 60 by train, so how much she will go by bus? From 300 she is going 60 by train, so bus will be 300 by 60, it will be 240, and speed of bus will be y, we don't know. This is the first equation. Similarly, the second equation is, if she travel 100 km by train, it means 100/x plus how much she will go by bus? It is total is 300. So 200/y. How much it is? 100 by train and the remaining by bus. She takes 10 minutes longer. It means 10 minutes more time she takes. It means 4 plus 10/60. 10 minutes means 10/60. We cannot write 4 plus 10. It will be it will be about 14. 10 minutes means 10/60. So 100 km in train. So 200 automatically will be in bus. 10 minutes longer it takes. It means 4 hours plus 10 minutes. Okay. Now convert it and solve this equation. Do the cancellation part. You will take LCM and get the equation. do reducing method again and get an x and y. Very important. Again, if doubts, let me know. 60 by train, remaining by bus. It means 240 by bus. 100 by train, remaining by bus. So it will be 200 only. 10 minutes extra. So 4 hours plus 10 minutes extra. Okay, that is the way it is made. So this is what it is, 3.6. The last exercise also there. I'll discuss in the next video. Alright, thank you.